Ever wondered what the highest earning careers are in 2024? In today's dynamic world, choosing the right career path is no longer just about passion, but also about potential earnings. The landscape of jobs is evolving, and with it, the top earners of the year are shifting. Your career choice could significantly impact your financial future. The right decision could lead you to a path of prosperity. So, are you ready to discover which professions are leading the pack this year? Stick around as we dive into the top 10 highest earning careers of the year 2024. Starting off our countdown at number 10, we have data scientists. These analytical experts work to interpret complex digital data, helping businesses make informed decisions. With an average annual salary of around $120,000, it's no wonder this career is on the rise. In our increasingly digital world, the ability to understand and manipulate data is invaluable. This has led to an increased demand for data scientists across all sectors. Data science has become an essential part of almost every industry, making it one of the top earners in 2024. At number 9, we have information security analysts. These tech wizards are the unsung heroes of the digital age, safeguarding our sensitive information from cyber threats and hacks. With an average annual salary pushing well into the six-figure range, it's a career that's as rewarding as it is crucial. In an era where data is gold, these analysts are the knights guarding the treasure. As long as we have data, we will need professionals to protect it. Hence, the high earnings. Coming in at number 8 are AI engineers. These tech wizards are the architects of the future, building and maintaining AI systems. In 2024, they're pulling in an average annual salary that's enough to make your eyes pop. And it's no wonder. With AI infiltrating nearly every sector from healthcare to finance, their skills are in high demand. AI is shaping our world, and those at the helm of this tech revolution are cashing in. AI is the future, and those who can engineer it are reaping the benefits. Number 7 on our list is blockchain developers. These tech wizards specialize in creating and implementing digital solutions using blockchain technology. They're the architects behind the cryptocurrencies we use today and are instrumental in transforming industries like finance, healthcare, and logistics. Their average annual salary is a cool $150,000, and it's projected to increase with the rising influence of blockchain. As more industries adopt blockchain, the demand for developers is skyrocketing. At number 6, we have financial managers. These individuals play a pivotal role in any business, tasked with planning, directing, and coordinating investments. They're responsible for making the big financial decisions that drive a company's success. In 2024, the average annual salary for a financial manager is a handsome sum, reflecting the importance and complexity of their role. Money makes the world go round, and those who can manage it earn a pretty penny. Coming in at number 5 are surgeons. These medical maestros perform operations, from routine procedures to intricate life-saving surgeries. Their role is pivotal in healthcare, holding the delicate balance between life and death in their skilled hands. With an average annual salary well into the six figures, it's clear that this profession is not only rewarding in terms of its impact, but also in its financial compensation. As they say, saving lives has its rewards. At number 4, we have psychiatrists. These professionals play a crucial role in our society by diagnosing, treating, and preventing mental health disorders. They provide a safe space for conversations and guide individuals through their mental health journeys. In 2024, psychiatrists are earning an impressive average annual salary, reflecting the growing recognition of mental health's importance in our overall well-being. It's a clear message. Mental health is wealth, and those who help maintain it are well compensated. Coming in at number 3 are aerospace engineers. These high flyers design, develop, and test aircraft and spacecraft, including missiles and satellites. Their expertise is more in demand than ever, as space exploration and travel continue to grow. With an average annual salary that soars into the six figures, it's evident that the sky, or rather space, is the limit for these engineering maestros. Space is the final frontier, and those who can navigate it are among the top earners. At number 2, we have chief executives. These individuals are the decision makers, the visionaries who steer the course of a company. They're responsible for formulating strategies, managing operations, and driving growth. A chief executive's role is multifaceted and influential. shaping the company's direction and future. As for compensation, they are often the highest paid employees, with an average annual salary well into the 7 figures. Leading a company comes with its challenges, but the rewards are substantial. And finally, at number 1, we have technology innovators. These are the visionaries, the dreamers who turn their ideas into reality. They lead the way in shaping the future of technology, from developing cutting-edge software to creating revolutionary hardware. On average, these innovators are pulling in a substantial annual salary, reflecting the value of their work. Their contributions are pivotal, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in our digital age. Innovation drives progress, and those who lead the charge are the highest earners of 2024. And there you have it, the top 10 highest earning careers in 2024. From data scientists to technology innovators, each role represents the forefront of their industries. But remember, it's not just about the earnings. True success lies in aligning your career with your passion and skills. So whether you're an aspiring surgeon or a future aerospace engineer, make sure your career choice resonates with who you are. Remember, a career is a marathon, not a sprint. Choose wisely, and your earnings will reflect your passion and dedication.